History's Hiccups, Part 32. In 91 BC, Rome faced a unique challenge, the Social War, a civil conflict with its Italian allies. Frustrated by their lack of Roman citizenship rights despite years of military support, the allies formed a confederation, even establishing their own capital at Corfinium, renamed Italia. They minted coins and raised armies, demanding equality. Rome, under generals like Marius and Sulla, struggled but eventually quelled the rebellion. The war ended in compromise, with Rome extending citizenship to its Italian allies, significantly expanding the Roman citizen body. This war reshaped Roman society and politics, setting the stage for the Republic's late tumultuous period, including the rise of figures like Julius Caesar.